Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you the VG2758-2K. This is a productivity monitor, a work monitor, a professional monitor that has some really cool features, especially if you're a laptop user. This is a docking monitor and a daisy chainable monitor, and we're going to show you all of those features and more. So let's get this open and see what you get inside the box. Inside the box, we have all the components you're going to need to get the monitor assembled and connected to your system. That includes the user guide, a power cable to the wall, a DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable, and a Type-C cable, which has a Type-A adapter included with it. To assemble the monitor stand, we just take the two pieces, the upright piece and the base, and they click together. So they only fit one way. The triangle points backward, and just like that, the two click, and you hear that nice click, and there's a release mechanism on the bottom should you need to release it. Now we have our fully assembled stand. We're going to open the front of what we call our pizza box case so that we can get better access to the head of the monitor. We open the packaging, and then we can just slide the monitor stand right onto the monitor head. Now that we have the VG2758-2K assembled, we can talk a little bit more about the monitor itself. This is a 27-inch IPS panel with a 2560 by 1440 resolution and a native refresh rate of 100 Hz. If you want a slightly smaller display, we offer a 24-inch variant that has a 1920 by 1080p resolution and that same fast 100 Hz refresh rate, which will help your office and productivity applications feel a little bit smoother, a little bit nicer, and with better flow. Overall, the light produced from the monitor is actually pretty bright at 350 nits, and it also comes with a full complement of connectivity that helps make this really your office solution. Not just a monitor, but something that actually helps you keep your battery charged and helps you connect to the internet. To that, this is a full docking monitor. It includes USB Type-C with 100 watts of power delivery to your laptop. In addition, there is an RJ45 port for internet connectivity that gives you 1G of internet straight to your computer every time you connect it to the USB-C. In addition, there is a Type-C that is for output that allows you to connect this to a second monitor and have a dual screen setup with just a single cable running between them and one cable running to your laptop. We find that to be one of the best solutions in modern offices because it allows you to have the mobility of your laptop, but also a really nice dual screen setup that charges your devices every time you connect to it. Putting in peripherals into any of the 5 USBs in this setup would help complete it as a really nice office space. And we're going to set one of those up for you now so we can show you how good it is. Now we have the VG2758-2K set up in an ideal scenario. It's on the left here connected to this Surface PC. The Surface PC is providing to it video and audio signal. In return, it is providing an internet signal and 100 watts of charging power back to the computer to ensure that it has a high-speed direct connection to the internet and also that it's fully charged when it's time to disconnect and go off into the world. In addition to the VG58 monitor that we are showcasing to the left, we do have the VG52 series. There is some slight differences between the two. This is a very similar aesthetic and panel designed to match with the 58, but it doesn't have all of the same features. This, for example, is not a docking monitor with connection to the internet through Ethernet, nor does it provide the full 100 watts of PD charging, instead providing an adequate 65 watts of charging power if you don't feel that you need a full docking solution. We personally believe that the combination of the two, VG58 with VG52 and the single USB-C cable between them, makes for the most elegant and seamless solution for a 2 desktop setup in your working environment. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the VG58 series. It comes in this 27-inch we show here and also a 24-inch, and it has an equivalent for both sizes in the 52 series to make a great side-by-side companion setup in your desktop environment. Please watch this space for more exciting videos from ViewSonic.